Hey there, the Art-tastic sisters here. So today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make another best out of VASE DIY. Well, this time we're gonna be using a box of ice cream. So yes, let's get started. For this you'll be needing, of course, this ice cream box, glue, tissue, and paint. So the first step is to take the ice cream box, and I've drawn a thing like this over here, which is gonna be our hole from where the tissue comes. So yes, let's cut this. I really like making best out of VASE DIYs because number one, it's a good thing to do for the environment, you know, when you think of that point, because all these waste, we can use it for something else. And second of all, you get to make beautiful things you can keep in your house without spending any money. Now I have cut off the hole, and now I'm going to take some water, and now I'm going to take the glue and pour glue into the water and mix it well. Okay, so now I have some tissue which I'm going to dip in this water, slowly take it and place it like this on the side of this container. So I'm going to surround this container with this tissue. So yes, now this is dried. Now I'm going to take some paint, brown paint with me, and I'm going to paint this. So I have painted this, and now I'm going to take some golden paint in this thin brush and going to paint the edge of this place from where the tissue comes out. So yes, I have done the edge gold, and now I'm going to do the same with this blue part. Okay, now I have painted it. Now I'm going to take an actual tissue box and open it up. So now I have this thing. So I'm going to remove this thing off. And now I'm going to take this tissue box and stick this transparent thing like this onto the opening of the tissue box. Using tape, I'm going to stick on the edges. Okay, now I have stuck it, and now I'm going to take this tissues which I took out of that tissue box and place it inside. Now I'm going to take the lid and close it. So yes, this is our final tissue box. I hope you liked it. If you did, hit the like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more such DIYs. If you have any doubts or suggestions, do drop them in the comments. And on the screen right now, there are more best out of VASE DIYs from our channel which you may like. So do click on them and watch. And that's it for today. See you next Saturday. Till then, stay safe, stay happy, stay creative.